When cables aren't clearly labeled, every service call starts with searching instead of solving.